Hey guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you the latest BeReal updates. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to know the newest updates they've worked on. So once you go ahead and open BeReal, you can take multiple photos now. Because in the past you can only take one, but now you can take bonus photos. That's what they're called. They're called bonus photos, and you can take a picture of multiple ones. And the other feature that they added is if you take a photo right here while having Spotify playing in the background, you're gonna be able to have the Spotify song under your photo. So if you have a Taylor Swift song playing and you take a picture, it's gonna say listening to Taylor Swift song. So that's pretty much it. It's very simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.